If your dev partner just started exploring AI in 2026, you're already behind. They're opening ChatGPT, asking Perplexity, copying Copilot suggestions. That's not AI first, that's duct tape. Using AI tools and building an AI-first architecture are two different things. Most teams never close that gap. We rebuilt our entire delivery pipeline around an AI core. Planning, coding, testing, deploying, all connected, all autonomous. Tasks route themselves. Risks surface before deployment. Sprints close without a single status meeting. Traditional agencies take 47 days to ship a feature. We take 9, 5 times faster, every time. The companies that win won't manage workflows. They'll architect intelligence.
Scale with AI-first engineering. Industrial-grade intelligence, hypervelocity delivery. $22 an hour. Your dedicated AI-first engineer. GroovyWeb.co